I've been coming to Svalbard since 2003, and this is my first time back since 2011. We're here on this sort of liminal edge of spring to summer. Coming here this early is extraordinary, and I think that's part of why I've seen these kinds of ice that I've never seen before, because if you come even just a couple of weeks later, the temperature has risen enough that the ice doesn't exist. But I think the thing that keeps me coming back to the polar regions over and over again is always the quality of light. The unique quality of light that only happens here, that you can only find here. And it's very difficult to describe that to someone who has not been here. Because of where we are, this high latitude, the angle of the sun, it creates a color and quality of light that you don't find anywhere in the temperate zones. It really only is this unique polar light. And so I'm constantly looking for that. My job as a photographer is to inspire people. My job is to show them something they might not have seen before, or if they have, show it to them in a way they haven't seen before. My job is to create greater empathy and compassion. And so when I raise my camera here, I know that I am becoming the messenger for this place. As an Indigenous person, I was raised to know that we are interconnected and interrelated to everything. And so when I look at the ice, I understand that ice and how it exists somehow relates to me. It has an effect. And so to have the opportunity to really stand in front of it and feel that awe, that overwhelming sense of scale here is really powerful.